Hi, in this video we're talking about Algebra 1, AA.4 on IXL, factor quadratics with a leading coefficient of 1. So what you need to know before you even start doing this one is the standard form of a quadratic. It'd be represented as a x squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and what you need to know is a, b, and c represent numbers. Okay, a, b, and c represent numbers. Now, on this particular IXL AA.4 in the Algebra 1 grade, we're using the coefficient of 1. So a equals 1 for every single question that we're doing. And what we need to be concerned about is the letter b, which is the coefficient in front of our x, and our c, which is our constant term. Okay, so c is always going to be a number just by itself. In our first example, we're going to do z squared plus z minus 2. So what I like to do is I like to take the factors of our c with the operation in front. So I know that my factors of negative 2 are negative 1 times 2 and 1 times negative 2. Why is it important that we use negative 2? Well, our c is negative 2, and we need to use the factors to find out what our b is. So here we have a positive z. Now, we don't have a number in front of z, but I know that that number is 1z. So when I look at my factors, I have negative 1 and 2, 1 and negative 2. I need to find the sum of the factors that equal my b. So which one of these adds up to positive 1? I know that negative 1 plus 2 is a positive 1. So I will highlight that in orange. The last step is finding how we write our answer. So we're using z squared. So when we multiply, we have to have a z times a z in parentheses. So z times z is z squared. And now I just write my factors in each respective parentheses. So I have z minus 1, z plus 2. Because I have negative 1, so here's minus 1, here's 2, here's plus 2. Why does that work? Well, using the area method of multiplying, z times z is z squared, negative 1 times z is negative z, 2 times z is 2z, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. I need to combine my diagonal. This is a like term, this is a like term. So this equals z squared plus z minus 2. This answer is the same thing as what we just factored. So our answer is z minus 1, z plus 2. I'll do another example. Okay, this is the smart square of 72. They're pretty much all the same on AA.4. I don't think it really makes a difference what the smart square is. So here we're going to factor h squared plus 3h minus 10. Okay, and again, I'm going to take the factors of our c. So our factors of negative 10 are negative 1, 10, 1, negative 10, negative 2, 5, 2, negative 5. So I need to find which factors add up to positive 3. So which ones add up to positive 3h? Negative 1 plus 10 is 9. 1 plus negative 10 is negative 9. Negative 2 plus 5 is a positive 3. So those are the factors that I'm going to use. I draw my parentheses. I have a negative 2, and I have a positive 5. Let's check my answer. We'll use double distribution. So I have h minus 2, h plus 5, h times h is h squared, h times positive 5 plus 5h, negative 2 times h is negative 2h, negative 2 times 5 is negative 10. I need to combine my like terms, which are 5h and negative 2h. And I get h squared plus 3h minus 10, which is the same exact thing that we just factored. That is it for this video. Good luck.